Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am presenting you the book Gora, a Social Evolutionary written by Dr. Sundar Sheth. Ninth chapter, Accepts from Gora's writings. Today's topic is rebirth. Rebirth is a belief of Hindu philosophy. Atheists do not agree with it. The belief of rebirth has two factors. First, the existence of soul, and the second, the soul is reborn in another body. It is also described as transmigration of soul. All religions believe in the existence of soul. Soul is supposed to be a detachable part of the body that leaves the body on death. The consciousness of life is attributed to the existence of soul. Its departure causes death by the loss of consciousness. Soul is the connecting link between this world, which is real, and the other world, or the being beyond death. Though all religions believe in the being beyond death, they differ on the nature of the being beyond death. Principal religions like Christianity and Islam believe that God adjudged the deed of an individual in this world and would send his or her soul to heaven or hell. Hinduism believes that the soul is reborn in another body. The choice of another body depending on the deeds of this life. While Islam and Christianity regard the attainment of heaven by the soul is salvation and the consignment to hell as perdition, Hindu philosophy believes that the cessation from the cycle of births and rebirths is salvation. Hindus believe that cessation of births and rebirths would merge the soul in the eternal being called Brahma, from which all souls and material beings arise. Greek philosophers like Pythagoras also believed in the rebirth of soul. The existence of souls is a belief and not a proven fact. The existence of being beyond real life in the form of heaven, hell, or Brahma is similarly a matter of belief. Because the beliefs are not based on facts, there is scope for difference of opinion with regard to the being beyond. Some believing in God, heaven, and hell, and others believing in rebirth of the soul. The belief in rebirth provides Hindus with an easy explanation for the differences among individuals, especially the caste differences. The lack of a satisfactory explanation for the existence of differences among individuals is no reason for the acceptance of a baseless belief in soul and other world. There is room for belief in human affairs. The concept of the future itself is a belief. Our knowledge of things and events outside immediate sensation is a belief. Without belief, human knowledge cannot grow. But when a belief is disproved by other facts, or when a belief stands in the way of progress, happiness, or common understanding, it should be discarded. Souls, gods, and other world and salvation have existed as beliefs. They are not truths, as they are not amenable to verification by real facts. Not only souls, God, and other worlds are not truths, but also they are anti-social beliefs. It is the difference in these beliefs that is causing communal rights and is preventing common understanding among people. Further, the belief in soul, God, other world, and rebirth has provided a cheap explanation for the existence of differences and stopped real understanding of them. Prevention of common understanding and non-promotion of real understanding are definite losses caused by the belief in God, soul, etc. Therefore, it should be discarded. When the belief in God is dropped, what is the alternative explanation for the differences? The explanation of genetic constitution is indeed realistic, but genetic constitution offers explanation only for bodily differences. The differences of economic opportunity, social respect, cultural standard, and political power, which matter most in human life, are of our own making. We can rearrange our economic, social, and political systems and remove inconvenient differences and add desirable assets. To link up the economic, social, political, and cultural differences to genetic constitution are as mischievous and inimical to progress as belief in destiny or God's will. Atheistic understanding allows room for belief, but it is bold and open to reject anti-social beliefs and to readjust our system to promote common understanding, equality of opportunity for all and social justice. Atheists reject beliefs in rebirth and other worlds because they are not only unproven but also antisocial. Thank you.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.